Bonke abantu emakhaya manginibingelele
All people at home, may I please greet you.
umprofeti uXaba lo Dr. X.
This is the Prophet Klaba, Dr. X.
Nasi isimemezelo
Here is an announcement
eninaso.
that I have.
Kunabantu
There are people
abasenkingeni
that are in trouble.
kumnyama empilweni zabo.
It's dark in their lives.
Impumelelo ayikho.
There is no success.
Nasi isimemezelo
Here is an announcement
engesidlulisa umhlaba
that
wonke.
I'm passing all over the world.
Wonke umhlaba.
All over the world.
Bonke abantu
All people
mabaphelele
may all come
kulesi
together
simemezelo
in this announcement
engisedlulisayo.
that I'm showing it to you.
Ngomhla ka9
On the 9th,
bantu baseThekwini namaphethelo.
people of Durban and surroundings,
Ngomhla ka9
on the 9th
zika August.
of August,
Ngibiza bonke abantu baseThekwini.
I'm calling all people in Durban.
Ngizoba nenkonzo
I'm going to have a service
yama one on one
of one-on-one
ukusuka ekseni
from in the morning.
kuyobe kumgqibelo ekseni
It's going to be Saturday in the morning, 9 o'clock,
kuyoze kushawa 6 wantambama.
until 6 p.m.
Bantu baseDurban
People of Durban,
one on one.
one-on-one.
Ngizobe ngiphethe zonke
I'll
insebenzo.
have all the materials.
Kunabantu abavaliwe.
There are some people that are closed.
Kunabantu abangasaphuphi ebusuku
There are
mabelele.
people who don't dream when they're
Kunabantu
sleeping.
izinto zabo ezimnyama.
There are some people, their things are dark.
Ngomhla ka9 August
On the 9th of August,
ngizoba nenkonzo
I'm going to have a service
yama one on one.
of one-on-ones.
Njalo ngizoba khona lapho eDurban
I'm going to be
eofisini.
there at the office in
E-ofisini
Durban,
lomprofeti.
the office of the prophet.
Abaphuma abantu ngobunengi
May all
babo.
people come together
Baphume indawo zonke.
in all over places.
Abaphume kwaMashu,
Mashu,
abaphume eMlazi,
Mlazi,
Maritzburg,
Marisburg,
Kompangeni.
Mpangeni.
Ngicela ukuthi mawunengane
When you have a child
edla idakamizwa
that is taking drugs,
ehlala ezipotini
that is staying in taverns,
ongiphathele ijuice
bring juice,
noma impahla zayo.
whether they're clothes.
Zobe zikhona zonke
All
insebenzo.
the materials are going to be there.
Ngomhla ka9 August
On the 9th of August,
ngiqala ama one on
I'm
one
starting the
lapho
one-on-ones
eThekwini.
there in Durban.
Bese kuthi ngomhla ka29
On the 29th,
bantu baseThekwini namaphethelo.
people of Durban and
Mhla
surroundings,
ka29
on the 29th,
ngizoba nenkonzo
I'm going to have a service
yokukhushulwa kwesidalwa
so that
sakho
we do with your creators
lokukhanyiswa kwamakhandlela.
and we brighten up your
Wonke
candles.
umuntu ozobe khona
All people who are going to be there,
ngicela ungiphathele indwangu emhlophe
may you please bring a white cloth
ewu1 meter.
that is 1 meter,
Ungabe umfundisi,
whether you're a priest,
ungabe umthandazi.
whether you're a priest.
Ngomhla ka29
On the 29th,
kuyobe kulesihlanu ntambama
it's going to be Friday
ukusuka
night
ngo6 ntambama
from 6 p.m.
until to 7 ekseni.
until 7 a.m.
Ngizoba nenkonzo ubusuku
I'm
bonke.
going to have all night prayer.
Ngicela abagulayo,
May I ask for the sick
unengane
ones?
ephethwe imimoya,
You've got a child that has got
ngicela abantu
spirituals.
abanamadliso,
The people with spiritual
kunezinto
eatings.
egijima
There are
emzimbeni,
things that are running in your
into
body.
zakho zimnyama.
Your things are dark.
Ngizoba nenkonzo
I'm going to have a service
yokuhlanjululwa
to cleanse
kwesidalwa sakho.
of your
Kwethonga lakho.
ancestors.
Nakho kunye
There's another thing.
yazi ukuthi umuzi
Know that a household
ongenazi idalwa
that doesn't have
abantu
ancestors,
abaphumeleli.
people don't succeed.
Uma kumnyama
When it's dark
emsamo wakhe ekhaya,
in your altar at home,
izinto zalowo muzi
the things of that
angeke
household,
baphumelele abantu
they
bakho.
won't succeed. Those people.
Wozobona umprofeti
Come and see the prophet
ngomhla ka29
on the 29th.
all night prayer ubusuku
All
bonke.
night prayer.
Ngizobe ngithandazela.
I'm going to be praying.
Kuyobe kukhona ngisho amakhwaya
There will be choirs as
lawa
well.
eniwabona
The
enqabeni.
one that you see in
Ngizoba
Rabin.
nenkonzo
I'm going to have a service
yokulayita isibani
to
futhi.
light candles.
Amakhandlela wathola
The
esebusisini.
candles, you'll find them being blessed.
Ungahlali nenhlupheko.
Don't sit with your
Seke
sufferings.
khona eDurban.
I'm going to be there in Durban.
Unogwaja kagesi.
No Kwachaga guess.
Unogwaja kagesi.
No Kwachaga guess
Usefikile lapho
is going to be there
eDurban.
in Durban.
Mhla ka29
On
August.
the 29th of August,
Iyongena ngo6 ntambama.
going to start at 6
Iziphume
p.m.
ngo7 ekseni.
7 a.m.
Ubusuku bonke
all night.
yobe nginani lapha
I'm going
eDurban.
to be with you in Durban.
Iparking isinayo.
Parking we
Ungabe
have,
usuka empangeni,
whether you're from Mpangeni,
usuka eMlazi,
you're from
usuka
Mlazi,
kwaMashu,
Kwamashu,
all over KwaZulu
all
Natal.
over KwaZulu Natal.
Sinayo iparking.
We have parking.
Fika ntambama
Come late at night,
ziyobe zenzeka.
things will be happening.
Yazi ukuthi kunabantu
Know that there are some people
khona abantu abangasaphuphi
There are some people who don't dream anymore
mawulele ebusuku
when you're sleeping at night.
umnyama uboni lutho
It's dark, you don't see anything.
mangabe umuntu
When you're a person,
kumele ube nephupho
you must have a dream
ngoba uNkulunkulu
because God
uyakhuluma kumuntu
speaks to a person
ephusheni
in a dream.
ngibavulile abantu
I opened up people.
uyabona nawe bayabonga kulolu
You are
hlelo
seeing, they are being grateful.
babonga imoto
They're grateful for cars.
abanye ngokunjalo
Others, as it is,
babonga ngeimoto
they are grateful with cars.
bayabuseka abantu
They are blessed.
njoba uzobona nawe
As you will also see
kulolu hlelo
in this service.
la eGoli
Here in Johannesburg,
sengizoba khona ngesonto
I'm going to be here on
ama
Sunday
one on one
on one-on-ones.
bese ngiba khona
And
ngolesine
then I'll be here on
ama one
Thursday,
on one
one-on-ones.
njalo eGoli
Here in Johannesburg,
nonke emaqhawe
all the
sengizoba khona
congregations,
ngesonto
I'm going to be here on
ngibe khona
Sunday
ngolesine
as well as
one
Thursday,
on one
one-on-ones.
nilindele
Wait,
ngiyomemezela
I'll be
uma
announcing
sengibuya Saturday
when I come back on Saturday.
ngithi ke bonke abantu
I'm saying to all people,
mabaphume
may you come out.
ngimema onke amaqhawe
I'm asking all the
aseThekwini
congregations,
namaphethelo
like to Durban and surroundings,
mhlaka 9
on the 9th
August officeini
August at the
noma
office.
ungezile one on one
Even if you are not there for the
ngizofika
one-on-ones,
ngikubeka isandla
I'm just going to put a hand on
ngizobe
you.
ngingenayo inkonzo
I won't have a service.
ngizokubeka nje isandla
I'll just put a hand
ngikubusise
and bless you
ngithi hamba uphumelele
and go and
ebese
succeed.
ngithatha ama one on
And
one
then take one-on-ones.
onke amaqhawe
All the congregations
aseThekwini
of Durban,
wozani nizobona
come
umprofeti
and see the
kanti
prophet.
ngawo umhlaka 29
And on the 29th,
ngizobe ngivula ioffice
I'm going to be opening up the office
ngokusemthethweni
in law.
kunomuntu lapho engimbekile
There's a person that I put.
kuyanikelwa kuyabikwa inkinga
You may
lapho
can do offerings
Makunenkinga,
when you have a
unenkinga ukhona
problem
eThekwini.
in Durban.
shone officeini
Go to the office.
unembe engekhona
There's a basket.
ufike uguqe
You
lapho
just kneel there
ubeke inkinga
and
zakho
put your problems
noma
there.
ngekho mina
Even if I'm not there,
isithunywa sikhona
the angel is there.
lingakhohlwa ke
Don't forget,
ngomhla ka29
on the
ngomhla
29th,
ka29
on the
zika
29th
August
of August,
yobe kulesihlanu
it's going to be a
iyonke
Friday.
lantambama ubusuku
It's
bonke
going to start at night, the whole night.
inkonzo
It's a service
yokukhushulwa
you create
kwesidalwa sakho
of your
ngifuna
ancestors.
abathandazi
I want all those who
ngifuna
pray.
wena mfundisi
I want you, the
othe
priest,
kumnyama ebandleni
to
lami
say that it's dark in your
ngifuna
congregation.
ukuthi
I want to say
ngizokunika amandla
so that I give you power.
nakho kunye
There's another thing.
umuzi nomuzi
A house and a house.
umuzi nomuzi njengoba
A
nje
house
ubona
and a
yonke
house.
imizi yakhile
As you see all houses being built,
kuney'khonkwane zakhona
there are some things that are there.
kunabavikeli
There are some protectors
abawugadile
that are guarding.
ngakho-ke ngazisa bonke abantu
I'm telling all people,
abasethekwini namaphethelo
Durban and
nalapha
surroundings,
eGauteng
even in Gauteng,
nginonkatho
I have cattle,
unkatho lolu
cattle
olusetshenziwe
that is worked on,
oluhlala ekhaya
that stays at home.
awuligqibi
You don't dig it up.
lilwa nemimoya
It will be fighting with the spiritual.
zonke izitha ey'thumelayo
All the enemies that are standing,
kuyobuyela kuzo
it's going to go back to them.
nalu unkatho
Here's the stone
olihamba netshe
that goes with a stone
oluzovikela umuzi wakho
that is going to protect your household.
lunamandla lolu nkatho
This is God is powerful.
ngizokunikeza lona
I'm going to give it to you
lapho eThekwini
there in Durban.
lapha enqabeni
Here in Ngabeni,
likhona
it's
njengamanje
also here right
lolu
now.
nkatho lolu
This stone.
lungisa imbewu yakho
May you fix your seed.
lungisa yonke imbewu yakho
Fix your seed
ka-600 rand
of 600 rand.
kanti lapho eThekwini
There in Durban,
kule nkonzo
in the service
yokukhushulwa
to create
kwesidalwa sakho
of your ancestor.
inkonzo yamakhandlela futhi
It's going to be a candle
ngifuna
service.
ungiphathele
I want you to bring
imbewu yakho
your seed
ka-220 rand
of 220
wenze
rand.
ama-5 rand amhlophe abe u-4
Make sure that you've got
bese wenza u-200 rand 220 rand
220 rand.
kuzokhushulwa isidalwa sakho
Your creators will be
ngiphathele
created.
220
Bring your
rand
220,
ama-5 rand awu-4
4-5 rands.
220 rand
220
wena
rand.
ozobe ukhona
The one who's going
bese
to be
uphatha
there.
indwangu
You bring a cloth,
u-1 meter
1 meter,
1 meter
1 meter.
ezohlala kuwena
that is going to be on you
ukhushulwe isithunywa
so
sakho
that your creators are created.
ngiyabonga kakhulu
I'm grateful.
lapho emakhaya
There at home.
uNkulunkulu
May
anibusise
God bless you.
lapho eThekwini namaphethelo
There in Durban and
uDr
surroundings.
X
Dr. X
usefikile lapho
is going to be there.
kulukudu
He's going to be there.
usethelekile
He's
umprofeti
going to be there.
unogwaja kagesi
Nogwaja kagesi.
ngomhla ka-9
On the 9th
August
August,
1-on-1
1-on-1,
500 rand
500 rand.
ukubona
To
umprofeti
see the prophet.
iyoqala ngo-9
It's going to start at 9
until to 6 ntambama
until 6 p.m.
ngomhla ka-29
On the 29th
zika-August
August,
ubusuku
The
bonke
whole night
iyongena ngo-6 ntambama
6 p.m.
until to 7
until 7 a.m.
ekuseni
in the morning.
ngiyobe ngilapha e-ofisini
I'll be there at the office
emngeni center
in Mgeni Center.
sinayo iparking
We have parking
iyongena ubusuku bonke
the whole night.
emngeni center
Mgeni Center.
abaphume bonke
May
abantu
all people come,
ngomningi babo
by many of them.
abafuna iwasho
Those looking for
zalapha
material
ekhaya
here at home,
ziyatholakala
they will be found.
fona njengamanje
Phone right now.
fona njengamanje
Phone right
kanti
now.
wena bhuka futhi
Book again.
bhuka njengamanje
Book right now.
nanka ama-account
Here are the account
for
numbers
i-1-on-1
for one-on-ones.
Ngiyabonga.
I'm grateful.
unkulunkulu aqusise
May God bless you.
sanibonana ekhaya emvunzini
Greetings,
sanibonana
Mvunzini.
ntolakahla
Greetings at home.
ilapha engidabuka khona
That's where I'm from.
unkulunkulu abe nani
May God be with
ngiyanithanda
you.
kakhulu
I love you all.
inkosi
May
nibusise
God bless
buka
you.
njengamanje
Watch right now.
nalo hlelo lwakho
Here is
God
your
bless
channel.
you.
God bless you.